Dang it, Pro Tools, your panning and your routing, it's all off. What am I gonna do? So if you're an engineer and you work in Pro Tools and you're taking sessions from studio to studio, you're always gonna have to reset your I/O to work with your current configuration, and that can be super annoying and time consuming, so I'm gonna give you some tips here. So when I bring up this session here that was tracked somewhere else, you can see that my output paths are inactive, and that's a problem because I can't use them as is, so I gotta change that. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna save the session as something memorable, save, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna default the I/O. I'm gonna go to setup I/O. I'm gonna go to the input, Command A, select all, delete, enter, default those, and do the same with the output and the bus. Of course, if you already have import settings, you can go that route. It's probably quicker, but this just defaults things nicely. I'm gonna hit OK. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to File, Import, Session Data. I'm gonna choose that original session that was worked on elsewhere. Control A, everything's selected, hit Match Tracks. That's really important. Then we're gonna go to choose which data to import. And this happens to be selected nicely, but sometimes it's all selected here, which you can just hit Option, click to get rid of that. And what I'm gonna do, the important things are the panning and the output assignments so that all my routing and everything's the same. Can also include MIDI and anything else, track comments that might not be on the new session from the old session. Super flexible. All right, hit OK. And there we go. All of our original panning, all of our outputs, all of our bus routing, all of it is good to go in our current setup, and it's the same as it was originally from the other studio. So happy mixing out there all.